Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my October monthly Walmart grocery haul. So I usually do Walmart and Kroger. I haven't made it to Kroger yet, but hopefully I'll make it there soon. I need some, I usually get all my meats at Kroger, and then any of our pop we get at Kroger just because it's cheaper usually. So I will get there eventually. We're pretty good on pop right now. I just need some chicken. I still have some hamburger and pork chops, so we should be alright for at least the week. So I'll try to make it there next week, but we'll see how things go. But let's just get started. So this is an overview of everything I got. I think it came to about $120 with tax. The most expensive thing that I got was the dog food right here. I get the Purina One Smart Blend Sensitive Systems formula because my dog Snoopy, Angel's alright, but Snoopy has a super sensitive stomach, so that's all he can eat. Anything else makes him throw up like crazy. So, but it was $21.98. There was a coupon I found out on the bag when I got home. I've already taken it off, so I'll just save that and use it next month. But I got some Bird's Eye California Blend veggies. These have broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and I've been liking to use these in stir fry, and I like to kind of grill them in a pan on the stove with some butter and a little bit of oil, and just eat roasted veggies. I love that right now. I don't know why, but I've been really wanting, I haven't been craving chocolate or anything. I've been craving vegetables or bananas or something like that, so I'm not complaining about that. That's just not something I've experienced really before. Then I bought a box of rice because I like to have rice just for lunches. We like to cook rice a lot and have it with the chunky soup, like Campbell's chunky soups, a couple different ones of those we have it with, and we use it obviously in stir fry and some different recipes that we do. Then I got some bananas. Then these are Simply Perfect sweet potatoes, and you can steam these in the microwave, and I've been turning them into mashed potatoes and then sweetening them with a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of maple syrup, and then we have them with pork chops. I have a really good recipe that I've been doing with that, and I kind of want to post a blog post about that, so if you're interested, let me know in the comments and I can do that, or if you want to see a video, let me know. So then I got some corn. They didn't have any corn that you can just shuck, they just had this, so it was $3 something, but I think it was $2.39 or something like that actually. So it wasn't that bad of a deal, and I mean, we love corn, so we'll eat it. Then I got my shampoo, or this is the conditioner, the Love Beauty Planet. I always pronounce that wrong. Marmere butter and rose. If you know how to say that, let me know, because I don't know how to say it. It smells amazing. The shampoo's around here somewhere. I know I bought it. Then I got some orange juice. And then I got 4 cans of corn. These were on sale for 48 cents, so it was a really good deal. There's another one. The other cans are over there. Then I got this value size pack of Fisher walnuts because I like to do I like to make banana nut bread and zucchini bread, and even when I do roasted sweet potatoes, I like to put some walnuts with it. So I got a big pack of those. Those will last me forever. And then I got some of these for my lunches. I just got 4. They're the pasta sides butter and herb. They're nice for something different. Amount of hot chocolate. I don't drink a lot of hot chocolate. I drink maybe 1 cup a week, so this will last me a good while. But this is the Swiss Miss. Love this, and it's the K-Cups. So I got this to try. I've never tried it. It's from Duncan Hines, and it's the perfect size for 1 maple brown sugar oat cup, and you just make it in the microwave, I guess. I've tried the brownie ones of these, but never the oats, so I thought it looked interesting. Got a big thing of pepper because I'm almost out. And then I just got some eggs. I've been loving eating eggs right now, like egg whites or like just scrambled eggs with toast. So I just got cage-free brown eggs. Then moving over here, got some straws because I always drink with a straw. I love using straws. Then I got some rice cakes. I love these just for a snack and in my lunches. And some strawberries. I've been cutting these up and then I freeze half the container for smoothies and the other half I keep out and we eat like just plain or with whipped cream, whatever. I got another box of spaghetti, the Great Value brand. This comes with 4 packs and they're like 1 pound packages, so this lasts us a good amount of time. Alright, now we're to all of our cans. I also got 4 cans of the French style green beans. These were also 48 cents. Then I just got green beans and corn because those were the only 2 things I was almost out of. I got a thing of Cheese Whiz because we do cheeseburger macaroni. A little thing of cinnamon sugar because I needed it for a recipe. Some Baker's Imitation Vanilla flavoring. I think this is what I was supposed to buy. I don't know. We'll find out. I think it was supposed to be just like vanilla. I guess that's the same. I don't know. It was cheap. Like $2 for that big thing. So then I got some ragu because I don't use sauce on my spaghetti, but my grandma does, so I got her what she wanted. And then they didn't have any Alfredo, or else I would have got Alfredo. Here is my shampoo. They give us a bonus size, so it's like extra big, which is great because I go through this like crazy. Then I just got some water. I've been liking to have a bottle of water. I used to keep a bottle of pop beside me when I would go to sleep because I get really thirsty through the night. But I've been keeping water, like as long as it's like ice cold water, I'll drink it like crazy. So I got one of these because I had a coupon for one of them. And I like this water. I tried it at work one day and it was really good. And then I had these. This giant bottle was like 98 cents, so I got 3 of those because that's what they had left on the shelf. And yeah, so that's everything I got. Just another little overview from the side. Ignore my mess here. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to get off here and put all this away. I just got out of therapy, so I look like a mess. I apologize. But I'm going to put all this away and then I'm going to go to bed because I really don't feel good. I'm so tired. Therapy wears me out like crazy, but it's helping me walk better. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. I upload lifestyle, beauty, reviews, whatever. Let me know if you guys have any specific videos you want to see down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.